What's up, everybody? In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over a set of lights that I just got in here. This is from the company Wuben, and it's Light Up Your Life. Check this thing out. This is the headlamp version, and then I also got the package that has the little kind of like multi-light version. And let me just kind of go over this one first. So it goes from 300 to 1,100 lumens. The medium goes to like 300 to 800, 250, 50, 15 to 1. So you can go down as low as 1 lumen. So if you really want to preserve the battery life, and it tells you what the battery life is, it's 130 hours if it's on 1 lumen. And it's 40 on low, 15, 2.5, and 2. So it just kind of like goes up, and it's got a strobe pattern. So 2 meters underwater for 1 hour. That's pretty impressive for a little light like this. Let me open it up and let's take a look at this thing, because I did take it out of the box and take a look at it earlier, but I just want to show y'all what this thing looks like. You get a USB-C cable. Yeah, that is a USB-C cable with it. You're going to get a little set of instructions. Oh, check that out. They give you some extra O-rings. And it's just more of the instructions to tell you how to use it. And right away, it's going to tell you to pull. It's locked by default. You're going to take that off. To open it, you just lift this little thing up, and that's where you charge it. There you go. It's on now. You see how it just came on? Hold it down. Wow, that thing is super bright. Check that out, everybody. So you want to unlock it by mashing that button right there 4 times in order to get it to come on. And now it is unlocked. That is bright. So hold it down. That's 1 luma. So you just kind of keep holding it down and it just goes up on its own. Very cool. I'll switch over to some nighttime and show y'all using this at night, because I did use it at night and I was very impressed with this light. So let me go ahead and turn that one off and show y'all the headlamp. So the headlamp, looking over it here, it goes from 1,200 to 500 lumens. The medium is 400. The low is 80, and that gives you 14 hours. The 1 lumen is 500 hours on this thing. That is impressive. White light, red light, and then red flashing, 10 lumens, 30. It's 1 meter drop protection. It goes up to 125 meters on the spot. Underwater, it can go up to 2 meters for 1 hour. This thing weighs just 54 grams, and a little bit of the specs there, and it shows you the spot meter. So it goes from 1 meter to 125 meters. We will put that to the test, because that's very impressive. 125 meters. It's got a strobe. It's SOS 200 lumens. It's got a little beacon on it. So, you know, 100 lumen beacon on it. So let me go ahead and take it out of the package here. This one also has the 2 little O-rings that come with it. A helmet. This one has a helmet strap, so if you're running on a bicycle, hard hat, or something like that, that would come in real handy. And then this is a USB-C. Once again, USB-C. And what this says, please remove the battery insulation sheet before using. Now, I did take it out of its package and use it just to test it and make sure everything was good with it. And to open it, you're going to unscrew it right there. You see that little battery that's down in there? See this? That is the battery insulation sheet. You want to remove that, and it looks like they have their proprietary 2,600 milliamp Wuben battery. So check that out. That is a beefy little battery. That thing feels dense. Putting that back in there, and I guess that's where the O-ring would go, somewhere in there. So close that up. Over here you have the charge port. You lift that up and you get a charge port, and then that doesn't come on. But then what you're going to do, check that out. 1, wow, that almost blinded me. That is bright. Hold it down. It just keeps going up. Really, and check it out, everybody. You can adjust it. You can adjust it to go down and up. I like that feature where even if it's mounted on your head, and it's got the 3 straps, so you can adjust it here and on the side. And it's got this little grippy material for like your head or a hard hat or something like that. There's that right side that's like a really weak light. Oh wow, check that out. Then it goes red, and then it's a red strobe. So that'd be great for biking, jogging, or something like that. Very impressive. Let me go ahead and cut over to some nighttime and show you using these two, and let's see how bright these things really are at night, because I think you're going to be impressed. Let's do that now. All right, here it is nighttime. Let me go ahead and turn this on. One spot. There's one spot. Look how bright this thing is. This is super impressive. Hold it down. Wow, that is insane. Hold it down one more time. It actually gets brighter, y'all. There's the one LED. That's the very low setting right there. A little higher. There's two. And there's three. That is super impressive. I can't even tell you how bright this thing is. This is the headlamp, by the way. So here's the flashing red that I wanted to show y'all, a flashing red when you got that. And then you just kind of mash it once. Hold it down and then that comes on. Hold that down. And that's the LED on the right side of the headlamp. You can see how that works. And that's just the always on red. So there that right there is. Hold it down again and you get that. So there's two lights on this thing. There's one on the right and one on the left. There are so many features on this thing. Very impressed with this on that. Let me go ahead and show you the little XO light. Mash that in. And that is the one LED light. You can barely see it on the ground there. Hold it down. Now we're getting a little brighter. Y'all can see that. Hold it down again. Look how bright that is. Hold it down one more time. Now it's super bright. That is very bright. And then it's off and it's back to the one. And this thing is so small. And the thing is, like, it's got a magnet on it, so it can go just about anywhere. Here's a chain right here. Check that out. Hands-free. It's just on this chain of this hammock. So you see it's a super powerful little magnet on the back of it. And then it has a little belt clip or a little clip where you could clip it on your shirt right there. I really like this little thing a lot. Very impressive. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today for the Wuben headlamp and XO combo. See you guys in the next video. Woo!